Hey, it's Lil, filling in for Mark, who is away because it's the first day of sledgehammer chicken hunting season. If you're not sure how to EQ your voice to make it sound better, perhaps this EQ cheat sheet can help. Start by cutting the low end around 80 Hz to remove rumble and unwanted background noise. This tightens up the lows and makes the voice sound cleaner. If you want a dab of warmth, you can try a small bump around 150 Hz. And if you still need a bit of clarity, try a small cut between 180 and 300 Hz. Some rooms may sound boxy around 500 Hz, so keep your ears open for that. But if you're getting a very nasal tone, you may need a notch between 800 Hz and 1 kHz. If it doesn't sound nasal, you can also boost this region a bit for clarity. Between 3 kHz and 6 kHz, you can really open up the vocal and pop those mids if they need to be more punchy. But beware that straddling this region between 4K and 9K is where a lot of sibilance can happen. And lastly, if you want to add a touch of brightness, give it a little pop around 10K, and you can add a bit of air around 12K to give it a nice modern feel. If you find a touch of EQ here and there will get your voiceover where it needs to be, remember, a little goes a long way. Let me know what you think in the comments, microphone maniacs.